Today we will start chapter 3, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. To locate a point on the number line, we know how to locate a point on the number line. We know today we can locate the point on the number line is O, है ना. ओरिजिन लेते थे एंड इधर से पॉजिटिव दूरी रहती थी और इधर से नेगेटिव. दिस यू नो. ओके, दिस इज द एनी पॉइंट ऑन द नंबर लाइन. Now today we will describe the position of the point in a plane, है ना. The system used for describing the position of a point in a plane is called Cartesian system. Is called Cartesian system. It is a rectangular axis. See here, describing the position of a point is called Cartesian system. How will you describe the position of a point in Cartesian system? How will you make Cartesian system? This is two perpendicular lines. This is two perpendicular lines meet at point O. It is called origin. This is called y dash and this is called x dash. Now this is also called Cartesian system in a plane. Now you can see that there are four parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each part is called quadrant. Each part is called quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. Four quadrants are there. Now we know that O से X की तरफ right hand side है. The points are positive 1, 2, 3, 4. And O से O dash is negative. O to OY direction is positive. O to OY dash direction is negative. O से X जो डायरेक्शन था डायरेक्शन इज पॉजिटिव. O to Y डायरेक्शन इज नेगेटिव. OX dash डायरेक्शन इज OY dash OY dash नहीं है, OY इज डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव. OX dash direction is negative. OY dash direction is OY dash नीचे की तरफ डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन इज नेगेटिव. Now in this first quadrant you see that X is also positive, Y is also positive, so the points are positive. Here you see that जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है दिस इज 1. दिस रिप्रेजेंट पहला पॉइंट किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? ऑलवेज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इन द ब्रैकेट ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट एंड सेकंड पॉइंट किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? वाई कोऑर्डिनेट को. फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट एंड सेकंड पॉइंट ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट वाई कोऑर्डिनेट. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट को आप क्या कह सकते हैं? अदर नेम ऑफ एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज एब्सिसा एंड वाई कोऑर्डिनेट इज ऑर्डिनेट. वाई कोऑर्डिनेट इज ऑर्डिनेट. नाउ यू सी हियर इन एक्स एक्सिस नेगेटिव, OX डायरेक्शन इज नेगेटिव एंड OY इज पॉजिटिव. सो एक्स के जो पॉइंट होंगे नेगेटिव और ये क्या होगा? प्लस. तो सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन क्या होगा माइनस कॉमा प्लस. इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट x is also negative, y is also negative, this is negative comma negative. Now in fourth quadrant you see that OX is positive, x direction is positive and y direction is negative, so plus comma minus. So this is about Cartesian plane. इसको अपन rectangular axis भी कहते हैं and this O point is called origin. Y dash line is, this line is vertical line and this is horizontal line. This is horizontal. They meet at 90 degree. Exercise 3.1. Question first. It is activity based question. How will you describe the position of a table lamp? Position of table lamp. How will you decide the position of table lamp? So first we draw Cartesian system. Use Cartesian system to define the position of table lamp. So this is our table. कहीं भी पड़ा हो सकता है lamp, is quadrant, okay, anywhere. So I will take a table lamp here in first quadrant. अगर ये यहाँ पड़ा है तो how will you decide the position? तो ये x axis से कितनी दूरी पे पड़ा है और y axis से कितनी दूरी पे पड़ा है. So you draw a perpendicular line to x axis downward. So this is the position, this is the distance from x axis. Okay, suppose it is 20 centimeter. इसकी दूरी origin से 20 centimeter. How will you calculate the distance from y axis? Again you draw a perpendicular on, इस पे perpendicular खींच देंगे, इस पे y axis पे. So this is the distance from y axis. कितनी दूरी पे ले लें इसको, 30 ले लें, 30 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, ये 20 सेंटीमीटर. तो ये जो P पॉइंट है, ये लैंप है जो P, ये किस पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा? कैसे लिखेंगे? 20 x एक्सिस पहले लिखते हैं 20, 30. The position of a lamp in Cartesian plane is 20 at a distance from x एक्सिस से वो 20 डिस्टेंस पे है और y एक्सिस से वो 30 डिस्टेंस पे. ऐसे अगर यहाँ पड़ा होता तो you can find anywhere, you can find, draw a perpendicular on x axis and y axis. देख लीजिए x एक्सिस पे ग्राफ से पता लगा लीजिए किस पॉइंट पे आ रहा है और y एक्सिस से मेजर कर लीजिए. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंट करेगा x एक्सिस को, सेकंड करेगा y एक्सिस को. नाउ आई विल टेक एक्सरसाइज 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Question first. Write the answer of each of the following. Your first is, what is the name of horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the position of point in Cartesian plane? So first part है horizontal lines and vertical lines, and horizontal lines and vertical lines से जो बनता है horizontal and vertical, these are horizontal line and vertical line. What you call, इसको क्या कहेंगे? To drawn to determine the position of any point. This is called coordinate axis, or you can say that rectangular axis, coordinate axis. Now B part. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? इस हर एक पार्ट को अपन क्या कहते हैं? What is the name of each part? Quadrant. 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड हो रहा है, quadrant. C. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. These two lines intersect. It is called point O, and it is called, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Origin. Question number 2. See the figure. See figure and write following. See figure, write following. So, it is a Cartesian plane. The coordinate axis is everywhere is 6, 6, 6. Okay. X, O, X dash. You also draw with me Y dash, Y. Here the points are positive in OX direction. I will tell you 1 centimeter. And now 1 unit is equal to you take 1 unit is equal to you take 1 centimeter. 1 unit you can take 1 centimeter. 3, 4, 5, 6. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 centimeter distance. Here OY dash is negative -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. -6. Now, this 5-point name is L. This is L. So, this 6 point, this 6 and 2. This is given to you point B. This is point M. This is point M, and -5, -3. This is point E, -5 and -3. This is point H, -1, -2. This is point B. This is D, -4. This is G. And one more point is given to you, that is C. This is your question of your book. Now you have to identify first coordinate of B, second coordinate of C, identify coordinate -3, -5. Fourth, identify 2, -4. Abscissa of D. Fifth, abscissa of, what is abscissa of D? जो पूछा है वही बताना है, दोनों पॉइंट ही बताना है इसमें. ऑर्डिनेट ऑफ H, coordinates of L, and coordinates of point M. Coordinates of point M. This you have to tell. Coordinate of B. What is coordinate of B? First लेते हैं coordinate of B. Where is B? This is B. First I will take the position of, किसकी लेंगे? पहला पॉइंट हमेशा किस में पोजीशन में ड्रॉ करेगा? X एक्सिस के लिए, दूसरा Y. This you have to remember. This is the fixed position. First point is always remember for X axis and second for Y axis. तो B का जब X एक्सिस पे परपेंडिकुलर डालेंगे तो पहला पॉइंट क्या आ रहा है? -5 and Y एक्सिस पे क्या आ रहा है? 2. So it is -5, 2 और it is second coordinate. Okay, now coordinate of C. Where is C? This is C. So पहला पॉइंट किस पे लेंगे? X एक्सिस पे परपेंडिकुलर डालेंगे, 5 आएगा, दूसरा क्या आएगा? -6. So 5, -6. It is which coordinate? ये आपका second coordinate था और ये आपका क्या था? Fourth coordinate. QAD, fourth coordinate. Now see, identify करना है. Name ये -3, -5. -3 कहाँ होगा? नेगेटिव X एक्सिस पे, और इसके नीचे जाइए -5 होगा Y एक्सिस पे, OY डायरेक्ट. That point is called E. ये किस कोऑर्डिनेट में आया? थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट में. अब ये आपको पता चलना चाहिए किस में होना चाहिए आइडेंटिफाई. सेकंड. 2 पॉजिटिव है, ये नेगेटिव है, तो सीधा आप सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में जाएं, 2 सेकंड में थर्ड 2 इट इज फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट, इट इज फोर्थ, पॉजिटिव में जाए 2 फर्स्ट पॉइंट 2 एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है प्लस माइनस, सो इट इज पॉइंट, व्हिच पॉइंट इट इज जी। जी सब पे सर्कल लग गए। अब तक व्हाट इज एब्सिस ऑफ डी, ओनली एब्सिस मतलब x कोऑर्डिनेट बताना है आपको, x कोऑर्डिनेट यू हैव टू टेल, व्हाट इज x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ डी 6 परपेंडिकुलर ऑन x एक्सिस। नाउ ऑर्डिनेट ऑफ y यानी कि y कोऑर्डिनेट बताना है किसका, h का, वेयर इज h, हियर इट इज h, ऑर्डिनेट y एक्सिस पे, इट इज x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस पॉइंट क्या होगा, y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा इसका 3। नाउ कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ l, व्हाट इज कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ l, यू नो दैट अगर पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे इट मींस, अगर पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे इट मींस x क्या हो गया 0, तो x तो है ही नहीं, ये y पॉइंट है तो x तो नहीं है, तो इसको क्या लिखेंगे 0,5, और ये किस पे लाई कर रहा है, ऑर्डिनेट पे, इट इज ऑन ऑर्डिनेट। कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ x, अब कौन सा बचा, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ m, सॉरी इट इज m, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ m, it is coordinate of point m, where is m, this is m, so first point x axis पे है तो y क्या होगा 0, so it is -3,0। chapter 3 coordinate geometry, exercise 3.2, exercise 3.2, plotting of point in plane if its coordinates are given, coordinates are, plotting of points in plane if its coordinates are given। Question first, in which quadrant or on which axis do the point lies, -2, 4, 3, 1, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5। Verify your answer by locating them in Cartesian plane. Locate in Cartesian plane. So I make Cartesian plane and you have to tell it is in which quadrant, it is in which quadrant, it is in which quadrant, it is in which quadrant. So first we draw a Cartesian plane. All of you draw in graph paper. One is vertical line and other is horizontal line. Horizontal line is x-axis. Horizontal line is x-axis, and this is y-axis. This is negative y-axis. This is negative x-axis. So maximum point is 5. So you can, where these two lines intersect, it is horizon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On negative side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now I will take first point. This is for x-axis, ये x कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए होगा और ये y के लिए, -2, 4, -2 here and 4 here. So it is -2, 4. This point is -2, 4. It is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. -2, 4. 3, -1. 3 is this and -1 is this. This is 3, -1. -1, 0. This is -1, 0 on negative x-axis. -1, 0. 1, 2. 1 is for x axis and 2 is for y axis. First quadrant x axis के लिए, second quadrant y axis के लिए. 1 2, this is the point 1, 2. Now minus 3 and minus 5, minus 3 x axis and minus 5 here, so it is minus 3 minus 5. So minus 2, 4 किस quadrant में है? minus 2, 4 is second quadrant. 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, fourth quadrant. 1, 2, 2, first quadrant. Minus 3, 5, fourth, minus 3, 5, third quadrant. Minus 3, 5, third quadrant. And what is this quadrant? This is called minus 1, 0 is negative x-axis, negative x-axis. Question 2, plot the points x, y in the given table, choosing a suitable distance on the x-axis. Okay, to make this table, this is x, this is y, minus 2, 8, minus 1, 7, 0, minus 1.25, minus 1.25, 1, 3, and 3, minus 1. How many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we make the graph. On y-axis is 7 and 8. Okay, so this will take longer. This is positive y-axis, x-axis, negative y-axis, and x dash, negative x dash. Now, this is intersecting point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will take scale. On x-axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Y-axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, if we have a graph, it is already of 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, this is our Cartesian plane. Now plot the points. The first point is minus 2, 8, x-axis minus 2 and y-axis is 8. So it is the point minus 2, this is the point minus 2, 8. Now minus 1, 7, minus 1, it is minus 1 and it is 7, minus 1, minus 1, 7. You also give the name of this point A, B, C, D like that. 0, minus 0, the x-axis 0 है और y-axis, so point is on negative y-axis, it is 1. You know there are 10 lines in between 1 centimeter, so 0.125 between 2 and third line, so it will somewhere here, so it is minus 0, minus 1.25. Now this over 1, 3, 1 is here and 3 is here, so it is 1, 3. Label the points also, and 3, minus 1. 3 is positive, x-axis is positive, y-axis is negative. It is fourth quadrant. 3, minus 1. This is 3 and this is -1. You can use ruler also for plotting the points 3, -1. Question 3. Now, 3 vertices of parallelogram are 3 vertices of, this is symbol of parallelogram, are A -2, 2, B 6, 2, C 4, -3. Plot these points on graph. Plot these points. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinate of point D. इसका coordinate निकालना point D का. Also find the coordinate of midpoint of CD. Also find midpoint of CD. CD the midpoint and area of parallelogram. What is area of parallelogram? These 3 things you have to find. We know that the property of parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. 3 vertex is given to you. We have to find 4 vertex and midpoint of one line and area of parallelogram. Now we take the scale on x-axis and y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. It is already in the graph. If you are in graph, now make a Cartesian plane, vertical line and horizontal line. Now see here, maximum point is 6. Okay. Y-axis, x-axis, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. Intersecting point is 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is positive and right left hand side negative, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 down. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now you can see here what is our first point, -2, 2. This is for x-axis, -2 is for x-axis, -2, 2. Use scale for plotting the points. You also do with me. -2, 2. B is 6, 2. 6 is here. B is 6, 2. 6, 2. This is -2, 2. This is A point. This is B point. 6, 2. What is C? 4, -3. 4 is positive and 3 is negative. It is in third quadrant. 4, -3. It is here. 4, -3. 4, -3. That is C point. Now join the points A to B using ruler, B to C. Now, what is the point D coordinate? इसका percentage क्या होगा? D coordinate. What is the distance? Distance of AB is, distance कितना है AB का? 6 इधर है and 2 इधर है. 8 है कि नहीं है? Distance of AB is 8 units on x-axis, 8 units on x-axis, 8 units on x-axis and y पे कितना है? 2 here and 3 here. 5 units or not? 2 here and -6 is the direction, so it is 5 units. So we will take a point 8 units from C on x-axis. So 4 is here and -4 is here. So it is -4. Also you can take the reflection of C point, -4 and the distance is 3. So it is minus 3. Minus 4 comma minus 3 is the point D. Minus 4 comma minus 3. Join the point. This is point D. Okay. So join this and join this. This completes the parallelogram. This is the point minus 4 comma minus 3. So it is a reflection of y-axis. D point, C ka. Now, what is the midpoint of CD? This is over. What is the midpoint of CD? CD, this y-axis is the midpoint. So it will, total distance is 8 units. So its midpoint is here. Give this name P. Give this name P. Give this name P. It is 0. Y-axis है तो x तो 0 हो गया. 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma it is going somewhere. It is 4 में जाएगा ये. It is minus 3 and a line. So ये 3 से निकलेगी line. It goes from here. This is the correct line. This is C point. So it is D point. This is D point. And this point is P, 0 comma minus 3. This is midpoint of CD. Now what is the area of parallelogram? Area is equal to base into height. So base is what? Base is AB. AB is distance. This is the base. It is 8 unit. Okay, and this distance is height. So height is 2 is here and 3 is here. 2 plus 3, 5. So 8 into 5 is equal to 40 square unit. 40 square unit. Question 4. Plot the point minus 2 comma 3 on plot the reflection of point P. Plot the point, this one I will P. Plot the point of reflection P in x-axis and y-axis and denote them Q and R. Denote it Q and R. Denote it Q and R. Number 1, write coordinate of Q and R and name the type of triangle. Name type of triangle and find area. Now see here. First we draw a Cartesian plane and take x-axis scale on x and y-axis. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is negative y-axis. This is intersecting point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now, what is P point? P point is minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3. It is here. This is our P point, minus 2, 3. If I take reflection on x-axis, which coordinate is changed? X coordinate or y will change. The reflection of P is Q. It is here minus 2, minus 3. This is minus 2, minus 3. It is Q point. Now, This is the reflection of P on x-axis, and reflection of P on y-axis is minus 2 comma 3. Which coordinate is changed? Only x coordinate is changed, that is 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. It is 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3, and its name is R. Join PQR. P and P to Q. These are the coordinates P, Q and R. Now we complete the triangle by joining Q and R. We see that it is a right triangle. Triangle PQR is a right triangle. Right triangle. Coordinate of Q and R is this. Q is this, minus 2 comma minus 3. R is 2 comma 3. Now it is a right triangle, and the area of right triangle is half into base into perpendicular. What is the base? PR is the base. So PR is the base, and what is perpendicular? PQ is perpendicular. The base is PR. Base is PR. So base is 2 units here and 2 units here. So it is 4 unit, and perpendicular. It is above y-axis is how much distance? 3, and either minus 3, that is direction. If you add it, it becomes 6. 3 and 3 is 6. So the area is half. Base is 4 into 6. It is 12. It is 12 square. It is 12 square unit. 2 6 are 12 square unit. 4 and 6.